Be careful and always make good choices.
It's okay. I'm your friend. Hello, buddy. Excuse me, is this your puppy? Don't worry, buddy. I'll help you find your family. We'll keep looking. I won't give up. It's okay, buddy. We'll keep searching together. Maybe you're leading us home. This must be an important clue. Someone must be looking for all of this. Buddy, where are you? She must be nearby. Buddy! Buddy! Thank you. I thought I had lost everything. Buddy helped me find you.
Ranger Michael, come in, has been separated from his parents near the North Playground.
Hi, I'm Oliver. Are you okay? Don't worry, we will help you.
We have a found child. Ranger Michael, we found Ethan's parents.
Mom, Dad!
Mom! Dad! Oh, my baby!
Thank you for staying with our son.
You made two families happy today. Every family belongs together.
Today is our Junior Nature Hero Ceremony. I think someone here deserves a special surprise. Welcome, everyone, to our special ceremony. Oliver, come up and stand beside me. Oliver helped a lost puppy.
I only wanted to help. You didn't help because you wanted a medal. You helped because you have a kind heart. Thanks for everything. I'll miss you, buddy.
See you real soon.
Why did you put it away? Helping people feels better than wearing a medal. What is that on your wrist? Today, I made new friends by helping others.
A kind heart always leaves a mark on the world.
Every small act of kindness makes the world brighter.